friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making a turkey sandwich in Panini press. So all we need is bread, cheese slices, turkey slices, mayo, and mustard. Now let's turn on the panini press so it's preheating while I'm making the sandwich. So let's make a sandwich. I will take 2 slices of bread, and I will spread 1 slice with mayo and the other one with mustard. And now I will take 2 slices of cheese and put 1 slice on one half and the other slice on the other slice of bread. And I will put several slices of turkey on one of the breads. So I'm doing 4 slices of turkey. And let's cover it with the other slice of bread and cheese. So now the sandwich is assembled and the panini press is preheated. So now let's open the panini press and put the sandwich in it and close the panini press. And let it cook for several minutes. After 3 minutes, let's open the panini press and check on the sandwich. So the cheese should be melted and the sandwich should look brown. At this point you know it's ready. If it's not ready, then you can let it cook for another minute. And just keep checking on it so it doesn't burn. So let's remove the sandwich. And lunch is ready. If you'd like, you can cut the sandwich in half. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Enjoy!